Okay. So, divisibility rule, ibig sabihin po nito, check natin yung kung certain number is divisible by a certain number. Okay? So, di ba, alam natin na simula po ako dito, i-divide ko itong video dito sa dalawa, yung madali at saka medyo madali. So, paano natin solve yung, how do we know if a certain number is divisible by 10? Okay? So, dapat yun daw ay nag-end sa 0. Okay? Halimbawa, 100, okay, 120, 130, okay? Or 2,420, something like that. Basta nag-end sa 0, divisible yan by 10. Second, by 5 naman, di ba kalahatian lang yan, di ba? So, if the number ends by 0 or 5, yan yung mga numbers divisible by 5. Halimbawa, 255, nag-end sa 5, so divisible by 5. 3,250, divisible by 5, yes, kasi nag-end sa 0. And also, this is divisible by 10. Okay? So, basta nag-end sa 0 or 5, divisible yan by 5. And then, punta tayo sa 9. Okay? Para yung mauna natin mas madali. Okay? So, di ba pag nagmo-multiply tayo, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, okay? Things like that. Okay, para lang mas matandaan. 10 times 2 is 18, 27. This is 36. Pero go to look at it, yung mga digits na is equivalent sa 9. Pag i-going to 1 plus 8, equivalent yan sa 9. Okay? 2 plus 7, equivalent yan sa 9. So, 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, have you got the idea? So, any number daw po, pag yung number mo is, if you're going to add yung digits niya, yung end result sa 9, that's divisible by 9. Okay? So, check natin. 3, 2, 5, 8, kahit madam. 5 plus 5 is 18. Okay, sige, halimbawa ito. 3,258. Ang gagawin natin, i-add lang po natin lahat ng digits. So, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 5 plus 5 is equivalent sa 18. Okay? Tapos add ulit natin, 18 is equivalent sa 9. So, divisible siya by 9 kasi yung result ng digits na results to 9 pag inad mo ng inad. Okay? Although, here you can stop kasi alam mo naman na yung 18 is divisible by 9. Okay? Pag nakita mo doon, pwedeng tumigil ka dito para hindi ka na matagal. Let's try another number. 5, 8, 9, okay? 17 plus 5 is, okay, 17 plus 5 is 22, plus 8, that's 36, okay? So, yan. Is this divisible by 9? So, check ko pa lang po na, okay? Sige, check na lang natin para makita rin natin pag may remainder, okay? So, we're going to add yung 5, plus 8, plus 9, plus 8, plus 6, okay? Is 13, 20, 13, 13, 22, 30, 36, okay? Correct. Paunti ka. Hindi ko pa wala akong tiwala sa ay that's 13, 22, 30, 36. Okay? So, ang sagot ng lahat ng digits natin is 36. Pero alam naman natin, 36 is divisible by 9. So, we can already conclude na divisible by 9 itong 5896. But in case yung lumabas na digit dito, hindi mo alam kung divisible by 9, you just keep on doing the additions of the digits. So, maging 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So, pasok siya. Pag yun ay 9 ang sagot, ibig sabihin, yung sum ng digits mo is, yung number mo is divisible by 9. Okay? So, yun lang po yung sa divisibility rule by 9. Okay? Same things pag divisibility rule naman ng by 3. I-add mo lang din. So, if the sum of the digits, ito sa 3 ha, if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. So, try tayo. Okay. Parehas lang sa 9 at saka sa 3 ha. So, lagay tayo. Halimbawa, wala ko. 3, 2, plus is 4. Okay? So, i-add mo lang yung digits na yan. That will become 3 plus 2 plus 4. Okay? Ilan yan? 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay? So, mali agad sample ko. Okay? Pero, if you're going to look at it, di ba? Dapat daw 3 yung sagot, di ba? Actually, that should be 3, 6, or 9. Okay? So, here, sagot natin is 9. But we all know that 9 is divisible by 3. Okay? So, this is divisible by 9. Balikan ko lang ito. By sum of digits are divisible by 3, kulang pa to. Sum of digits are divisible by 3 if Okay, yes. Tama naman pala. Okay. If the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay. Hindi na kailangan yung 6. Okay. If the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay, good. Kala ko mali ako. Okay, so itong sum ng digits natin is 9. Is this divisible by 3? Yes. Okay, so divisible yung 324. I will simply add that one. So pag lumabas dito sa number natin is divisible by 3, then divisible na yung number na yun, yung mas malaki na yun by 3. So kung halimbawa 3 digit yung lumabas ulit dito, so you just keep on adding. Okay? So halimbawa maglagay tayo ng mas malaking number. Okay, 1,498, sige, is 17 plus 4. Ano na? 17 plus 4 is 21, 22, hindi pwede, 24. 22, 5. Okay? So 17 plus 4. So add natin. Okay, sige, second. So add natin yung mga digits. 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 8. Eh, pag may remainder ulit, pakikita naman natin kung how this work pag may remainder. Okay? So 5 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 8 is equal to 10, 19, 27. So sagot natin is 27. Eh? Although alam na natin dito this is divisible by 3. Eh? So ibig sabihin divisible dito by 3. Pero kung halimbawa hindi pa natin alam, di ba? Medyo tama ba? 27 is divisible by 3. Then we just keep on adding that one. 2 plus 7 is 9. So ito 9 is already divisible by, alam na naman siguro natin na divisible yan by 3. So this is divisible by 3, yung 51,498. But let me try it here. Gawin kong 9 po. Okay? 9. So magiging 9 to, di ba? So magiging 28 ang sagot mo dito. Right? 28. So 2 plus 8 mo is equivalent sa 10. Okay, is this divisible by 3? Hindi. Okay? Pero alam mo 10 yan. Pero pag halimbawa tinanong ka, ilan yung magiging remainder? So you just check the nearest number na divisible by 3, which is 9. Right? So, meron kang remainder dyan na 1. Possible questions po na lumalabas yung ganun. Or sa problem nakalagay is yung remainder, not the actual quotient. Okay? May mga ganun tanong. So, that's how you check or how do you make the combinations of the remainder using this technique. So, 3, 9, 5, so that's it. Okay? So, stop na po ako dito. Then, going to discuss yung sa sunod.